Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with current affairs episodes. This will be useful for GK Olympiad exams for all classes. Shall we start the quiz now? Question number 1. Which Indian teacher has been appointed as World Bank Education Advisor? Option A. Manish Kumar. Option B. Ranjit Singh Dishale. Option C. Sanjeev Kumar Sharma. Option D. Deepak Joshi. Your time starts now. The answer is option B. Ranjit Singh Disale. Ranjit Singh Disale has been appointed as the World Bank Education Advisor from June 2021 to June 2024. He is the first Indian teacher to receive the Global Teacher Award in 2020. He is from Maharashtra. Question number 2. Which country has won the maximum number of medals at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Option A. China. Option B. Japan. Option C. United States. Option D. None of these. Your time starts now. The answer is option C. United States. United States won 39 gold medals and stood first place with total 113 medals. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, Tokyo, capital city of Japan, has hosted the 2020 Summer Olympics in 2021 from 23rd July to 8th August. The motto of Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games is United by Emotion. Question number 3. For how long has the Delhi Pollution Control Committee banned the sale of firecrackers and fireworks in the National Capital Region? Option A. By January 1st, 2022. Option B. By June 1st, 2022. Option C. By December 1st, 2021. Option D. By November 1st, 2021. Your time starts now. The answer is option A. By January 1st, 2022. The Delhi Pollution Control Committee has imposed a ban on bursting and sale of all types of firecrackers till January 1st, 2022 in the capital. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the first woman speaker of Gujarat Legislative Assembly? Option A. Meera Kumar. Option B. Sheila Dikshit. Option C. Nirmala Sitharaman. Option D. Nimaben Acharya. Your time starts now. The answer is option D. Nimaben Acharya. After the formation of Gujarat in 1960, senior BJP MLA Nimaben Acharya became the first woman speaker of the Gujarat Legislative Assembly on 27 September 2021. Question number 5. What was the theme of the 2021 World Blood Donor Day? Option A. Give blood and keep the world beating. Option B. Give blood, give now, give often. Option C. Blood connects us all. Option D. Safe blood saves lives. Your time starts now. The answer is option A. Give blood and keep the world beating. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated every year on June 14th to spread awareness about the significance of blood donation and to recognize the contribution of voluntary unpaid blood donors in saving lives. The first World Blood Donor Day was observed by WHO in 2004. Question number 6. Which country's 8-year-old girl Nicole Oliveira has become the world's youngest astronomer? Option A, America. Option B, Brazil. Option C, Germany. Option D, Australia. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, Brazil. Nicole Oliveira, a 8-year-old Brazilian girl who found 7 asteroids, has been named the world's youngest astronomer. To the 7th question now. When is World Rabies Day 2021 observed? Option A, 1st October. Option B, 25th September. Option C, 28th September. Option D, 5th October. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, 28th September. September 28th, 2021 is the 15th World Rabies Day. And this year's World Rabies Day theme is Rabies, Facts, Not Fear. It is celebrated annually to raise awareness about rabies prevention and to highlight progress in defeating this horrifying disease. Question number 8. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Japan? Option A, Yoshihide Suga. Option B, Fumio Kishida. Option C, Naoto Kan. Option D, Toshihiro Nikai. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, Fumio Kishida. Japan's House of Representatives elected Fumio Kishida as the country's 100th Prime Minister. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching.